Today I want to show you how to create a picture using the noise by the watercolor, and for that we will use a mop brush. For that I'm gonna use the Bauhong Masters paper. That's my block, 300 grams, and that one guy. Now it's time to make the smaller size spots and the tiny lines, and still using just one dancing mop brush. Again, you can find more information in my book Sketching Academy Volume 2 about exactly idea of the noise.